Hello guys, today we're getting together for the GPS Challenge 2025, which is going to be duo, 2 cars each team. We have about 25 teams participating. Half of the teams are already here, as you can see around, waiting for the others. Super excited. Let's do it.
Well, today I think we're gonna be doing some games before the end of the night to win some prizes, and tomorrow morning we're gonna hit the sand and the dune and to enjoy our time with Offroad Zone.
Howdy, cowboy. How are you, amigo? Good.
Hi Ahmed,
How are you?
how's life?
Life is very good.
So guys, this is Ahmed's car currently right now. It's a nice Tacoma, I'm not gonna lie. It looks sexy, 100%. So yeah, it is really damn nice. Colin, what are you doing?
I'm digging a hole.
Nice place, man. Look at this. Beautiful weather, nice sunny. Set up the tent, time for a beer. There are four.
The registration, brother. We're doing the registration for all the teams, and we're allocating them to their camps.
I'm here for the GPS Talent 2 from Offroad Zone, and this is a new place and looks very challenging. I am with the team named Task Force. Khaldun is my partner.
Who do you think is gonna win tomorrow?
Myself and Khaldun.
Alright, maybe? Maybe you're sure.
It's not maybe, it's sure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Alright, that's...
because Khaldun is also a strong competitor, so
Alright.
we will win.
Someone join.
Who's team?
Ready!
That's it? Okay, let's line up, please.
What do you mean? Why not?
Good morning, guys. It's amazing. We have a fresh morning, nice and wet cars, wet tents. We had breakfast. We're going out to the desert in the next 10 minutes. Hopefully we are ready and we're gonna have fun. See you later.
Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Good. How are you guys? How was the night?
Good sleep.
Hey,
You
man,
slept
how are
well?
you? Yeah, I slept like very well, 5 to 10 minutes.
10 minutes only.
Yeah,
was it?
because it was in camp you don't sleep.
But you was like sitting there,
No,
or
no,
just you
I-
went
I
try to
came-
sleep but
I
cannot?
came to the tent and tried to sleep, but
Oh,
our tent is convertible.
morning, guys.
Morning.
How are you?
Morning.
Morning.
How was the night?
Amazing night.
You slept well?
Good sleep.
H-U.
Energy's on.
No, wait. What
You
the
ready
fuck
for
are you talking
today?
We are
Pikachu.
ready. We're ready.
Big P.
Wow, you have this. I also have this one. This is a good.
Take a picture.
Around the fire, please.
So,
Good morning, ladies.
Nice.
What?
Is it saying on also?
We changed
The music is
the music is
clear.
Now he need to verify this.
Dude,
I want to try that.
that is insane. That is really good.
Try the camera.
Yes.
How was it?
Your connection is shit.
It's
good, right?
crystal clear.
Your connection is shit.
Oh, dude, what a
Hey, morning.
Yalla, 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 yalla.
Where's everybody?
Here.
That way.
He's gone for a poo.
Fuck these guys, man.
His teammate is here, it's okay.
How do you know?
Oh, yeah.
Who is it? Khaled?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's okay.
So we will be starting the teams randomly. So we will call 5 teams at a time to line up. 5 minutes difference between first batch, not second batch and all. All right. So 5 teams at the time will be moving. We will give you the numbers now to get ready. Please drive safe. Be careful. There's lots of bushes sometimes, or follow your track properly. Take your time, but not the whole time, because 5 p.m. everyone needs to be back to the campsite.
It's a very lovely day, and we are team number 24, and we're ready for it. I think it's about 65 kilometers in total. We're using Gaia GPS.
Yeah. Good luck and all the best. Thank you very much. All right. Enjoy. Be safe. 5 o'clock. We'll see you here. What's your team name, sir?
pineapple.
Huh?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Are you gonna win today?
We are not gonna win today.
Enjoy. Drive safe.
Thanks to the amazing sponsor for the event.
Yes. How you feel today? Ready for it?
Yeah. Let's start it.
Yes. That's the coach. Good luck. Drive safe. What's your team name?
Black Bulls.
Black Bulls.
Yes.
Good luck. All the best. See ya.
How are you?
All good, very
Today,
excited.
what's your impressions? Oh, you have
Very
a camera glass.
Yes,
Yeah.
but not filming yet.
We can try.
What's your team name?
GPS book.
Oh. Good luck. Team name is 392 Spartans. 392 Spartans. Here we go. Let's see.
Good luck.
Team Bronco UAE. UAE Bronco.
Good luck, guys. Drive safe.
Our team name is Arcade Desert Vanguard. And
What do you think who gonna win?
no idea. We are just planning to, finish all the checkpoints. Yeah.
Okay,
It's
okay, drive
just
safe,
exciting.
guys,
Yeah.
and good luck.
Thank you so much.
What do you think we're gonna win today?
I wish we're gonna enjoy first, drive properly, ensure we have the proper safety, and then
Okay,
wish we're gonna win.
good luck then.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Diru, I'm filming your car now. Say something.
Hello.
Every time you say.
What is that? Every time I say I win.
Yes, win.
Yes, this time I will.
Okay, good luck, bro.
Tough cookies.
Yeah. So two words about today. You're gonna win today. What do you think?
We're hoping to win a few nice prizes. I see a couple of nice prizes out there. We're gonna be gunning for them.
Okay, then drive safe and good luck.
Good luck. Drive safe.
See you guys.
We'll see you around.
See you in the finish line.
See you.
Hey, Colin.
Hey mate.
Quick interview, mate.
Huh?
How are you? How you feel today?
What's going on?
I need to get my radio sorted.
What? It's not working?
No, it's not. He can't hear me on the radio, but we can. I don't know whose radio is broken. Defending champions, no pressure.
Good luck, guys.
Cheers.
Press
Thanks.
record on your GPS. Don't forget.
Oh yeah.
How you feel
Hey, how are
today?
you? Very good, very stressful because everybody thinks double trouble is because we're two people. She's all the trouble. So
Double
yeah,
trouble is your team name.
and she's gonna manage Gaia and she's behind me. So
The team name. You have a good artwork on your car.
Team name Double Trouble.
let's go.
Okay,
All right.
good luck.
Good luck.
Cheers, cheers.
Good morning.
Cheers.
Morning.
How are you, bro?
Good and you?
Good.
Ready? Team name is June Hunters.
Hunters. Okay, good luck. Good luck,
Press
brother.
record on your GPS, please.
Might turn off.
How you feel?
How I feel?
Yes.
I feel
Amazing.
excited.
Excited. What's your team name?
All devices are here.
Your team name?
The mummies.
Alright.
Mommies?
Yeah, like we're gonna drive like that.
Press record on your GPS.
Yeah, don't forget to record.
Shall I record from now?
Yes.
We're ready. Ready for the winning.
What's the team name?
In progress.
Safe.
Thanks, guys.
Start recording, please.
Yeah, we've got loads of pictures, we've got some cameras. He's got a big camera, we'll see what we can get.
Okay.
Should be good.
Good luck then. What's the team name?
Sandy Rim Runners and their Dirtbox Glory.
Wow, what a long name. Okay, the hardest name.
Yeah.
Good luck,
Good
guys.
luck, good
See you
luck.
later.
Team? Of course. What is the name of the winning team? Espresso Arak Crew. Ah, okay. Good luck.
Caltex 16.
Caltex. Okay, good luck.
Hey, very well. The problem is my iPad, but everything is good. See you later, guys.
See you. Good luck. Good luck.
Yes.
Yes, this is the vibe we want.
Yes.
Hey, how are you? Oh, you have a DJ
Go!
party.
All right, start recording and good luck.
Good luck. Good luck. What's your prediction for today?
What are we going to do today?
Predictions.
Predictions. Last.
Last?
Last. We go last.
You are very confident.
No, you're on.
Good luck.
I don't know which device to use. I'm nervous.
You need to record? Which one? You have anything on top?
Saying go home. Waze is already. Waze is telling me go home, go home, go home.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
You ready, Jakob?
Yeah, we're ready.
What's
Almost
the
ready, though.
team name?
Team name? What's our team? Ah, Eagle Eye.
Eagle Eye. Okay. Good luck.
What is this relay for? Yeah, please show the garage. Show him the good job.
Weather is not very bad. If it doesn't go above 100, you're okay.
No, normally not. 89 maximum, 93 it goes, but
Okay.
100 I don't know.
It's a Toyota after all.
Thank you very much.
But no, Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up. That you throw. I'm too short for this.
اسبوعين عمال يشيك my ass. It's okay.
You drive safely, boys. Don't overreact.
Alright. You wanna join another team like Mo said?
احمد اهدى بقى اهدى.
It took from my age man this car to build something different. Toyota Cosmomen Rebel. Jeep is nice. I never had this with the Jeep, to be honest.
We also have problems, man. Just
No,
that's everyone, man.
this is not right. They were checking car for 3 weeks. Go to the come desert, do this. Relay is working. So what is it? I'm done.
We don't need this move, man. If you need help, we can take you out. But I'll go there, chill down, take your time. And this fan is working now.
It's too fancy.
Oh, it's the other one.
The additional temperature. But the main one is hot. So yeah.
Man, seriously, like I hate leaving you here in this
No. I will go back to the camp and get
Everyone loves their gear there, so just find some whiskey there and steal someone's food.
The fan is working.
this is
the small ones. Okay, طب يلا.
Yalla, go guys for the
يلا.
So yeah, Ahmad Asad is out. He's having a problem with the cooling. Looks like electric fans are not working. He's a bit upset. His Toyota broke down. So yeah, unfortunately, one team is out. Let's go catch up with the others.
Huh? What happened? Was unsure where to go.
Let's put it this way.
I'm here to win.
Yeah, I guess that was the shortest way.
Not really. Because the problem is then it's very steep and that's more kilometers.
I'm just asking if you guys need any help or, better map that shows all the short ways and, 5,000 minutes. What is it? No start? It doesn't crank? Or?
No, and the wheel is locked.
Do you have any flash code, super chip or any device?
Nothing.
To the car?
Nothing.
Yeah. The steering was locked. It will not start. You need to move it a little bit to unlock to start the car. Basically.
Yeah, I also did.
Maybe you did too hard and it was dead.
Because he's now with his gear up.
You have the radio channel.
How are you guys?
Very good.
Good? You rolled off?
Yeah.
Oh my god. But you feel good? Everything okay?
Fine. Everything is
Good,
fine.
good.
This one. That's it, yeah.
You can go home directly.
You feel good?
Hey.
You feel good?
I'm alright, yeah. I lost my teammate.
Was it a slow roll?
I'm still here. Was it a slow roll?
How it happened? Like
Quite fast.
you tried to climb this and oh side.
See here? You cannot hear.
Turn the car on there.
Push the
No, we're not. We are marshalling the event.
Okay, but if you participate, what you think you will win or
Maybe. Look, it's not an easy track. It can be difficult, as we can see, and it can be easy. So depends which way you want to take.
You can just say what just happened with this silver car.
So these guys wanted to go in a straight line and try to avoid turning around the dunes, and they had a small rollover into a ditch, which is fixable. It's not a big deal.
Tea, coffee, anything. Just one cup of coffee. That's all, you will fly.
Thank you.
Winch block. Okay. Yeah, so just wait winching. You need some shackle? Do we need more?
Let's charge it.
How do we block, guys?
Why don't we turn it off? Okay, this is bent all the way back.
You know, now.
Oh, really?
I'm trying.
We were doing some spannering. It would have been a good.
Do you need a hammer?
Yeah. Left hand or normal?
Left hand.
Why this happened? Like, what the reason? Don't know.
He's been in two-wheel drive from the beginning.
Ah, okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, I kept putting it in the museum.
طارق جلس بعد لوك بس يمين بعد one more ايوه صح خليك ماشي عليه بس اوكي خليك ماسك السكر بعد يمين طارق شويه خليه يطلع هناك.
We can finally say that Jeeps are better. So drive Jeep, come to Offroad Zone.
You don't know, it's a very tough one. The car doesn't start, so pulling them out from the boat, it's a big one, I don't know. It's a really tough one, so we're trying our best.
Turn around and go back to the other way.
You need to go to Forlo. Look, man, I did it with the Rubicon. Haven't you seen the red one? I took it up. These guys. I believe I can fly. Oh my God.
No! You scared me.
Oh, you have the camera from the outside looking at it.
Oh, yeah,
Let's do it again. Do it again.
No. Orang istabat etmeyin galon.
Man, my light is on.
This was
No, let's check.
That was
Ooh, yeah, I never had this feeling. I think we're gonna roll off.
front flip.
Your car also broke?
Because I was towing the
Oh.
the other vehicle, trying to get it up that hill.
Today is a worst day because all the cars get broken.
Tire punches, always.
Yeah, today we had a lot of action.
Rear rotor. David was stuck as well. Now get back and fix my car. Get it out of here.
Yeah, really.
Move that seat because there's not enough.
Took them on video, both of them
getting
stuck.
Yeah. Check the video.
I have with our reaction. I was so scared.
The pin is 14, which is
yeah,
here. So
exactly.
if
It's
you want to
easy.
give exact
Can
location.
I use your phone to call someone?
انا استخدم تليفوني نوكيا عادي. الايفون كشر سوري سامسونج كشر. This is بس. Saying this is a full network.
هي 14.
14 but شو اللوكيشن ما بي cannot share it. How you can share this? هاي النقطة. هذا ما اعرف if you can share it ولا عندكم السيف.
Yeah, it was a tough one. Very enjoyable at the same time. Very challenging. Unfortunately, we got a couple of cars broken down, so we recovered them. So, yeah, we have a car behind us now. We're pulling. There is a slightly coolant leak, so we don't want the car to overheat. So we decided to pull into the campsite. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the campsite. Okay.
We're almost reaching to the camp.
Thank you.
We are here. We came back finally.